if you actually see the shoebill, their upper bill membrane is actually a hook. So that's where you get injured from. So we secure the head and we will tuck in the leg and we'll just hold them like a big baby. Our net has punchy edge, so we make sure that we don't injure them when we actually net them. So he gave me a slight pinch, but I still managed to hold him and secure his bill. They have a quick vet check on their condition. We trim the feather just to keep them on the ground, to let them explore and have some time to adjust. It's not something that is a concern of because they always grow back their feather in 3 months' time.